Hello, tech novices, and welcome to the first episode of Tech Wisdom 101. I'm your host, Joe Tech, here to help you unravel the mystery of today's gadgets. We start with the basics, so buckle up, and let's explore the magical world of device buttons and icons. Remember, technology is not a monster, it's just a friendly pet that needs a bit of understanding. You see these little things? These are buttons. Yes, just like the buttons on your remote control or your microwave. Think of them as your device's road signs. The power button, that's your start/stop. The volume buttons, they're your loud/quiet. And the home button, that's your take me home, country roads button. It always brings you back to the start, no matter where you are. Now, these little pictures on your screen. They are called icons. They're just like sticky notes on your fridge, each reminding you of something different. The envelope is for your mail, the camera icon is for taking photos, the phone icon is for making calls, and the gear, my friends, is for settings. There's a whole universe inside this gear, but we'll get to that in another episode. I know what you're thinking. Joe, this tech stuff looks so complicated and expensive. But really, it's no more complicated than baking your favorite cake. You just need to know the recipe. And about being expensive? Well, you don't need the latest iPhone or the flashiest laptop. Just like you don't need a Ferrari to learn how to drive. That's it for our first episode. Remember, learning technology is just like learning anything new. It might seem strange and a bit scary at first, but with patience and practice, you'll master it. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll delve into the world of touch screens and gestures. Until then, keep pressing those buttons and exploring those icons. And remember, in the tech world, age is just a number.